Welcome to Tumble Jumble. I am Lumby. Pets, all our alphabet vehicles are super dirty from their adventures. They need a wash before we can play again. Can you help me find them and wash them from A to Z? Let's go!
A is for ambulance with a flash of red and blue. We wash it and we scrub it until it's good as new. B is for big bus, so yellow and so tall. We spray it with our water hose to make it clean and small. C is for cool convertible, the dirt we wipe away. Now it's shiny, clean, and ready for a sunny day. D is for dirty dump truck, we rinse it through and through. Tip it up and wash it out to make it fresh and new. E is for excavator with its giant mighty arm. We soap it up and rinse it off to keep it safe from harm. F is for fire truck, so brave and bright and red. We wash it from its bumper to its ladder tower head. G is for garbage truck, we clean its smelly bin. A soapy bubbly car wash makes it smile a big wide grin. H is for helicopter, we wash its spinning blade until it sparkles in the sun and shines out in the shade. I is for ice cream truck, we wash its sticky side so it can serve up tasty treats on a happy clean ride. J is for Jeep with mud on every tire. We scrub it hard with all our might until it doesn't tire. K is for Kite Car with a kite so high. We wash the mud and dirt away right up into the sky. L is for long limousine, so fancy and so black. We dry it with a fluffy towel, no dirt upon its back. M is for motorcycle, we wash its hinge and roar until it's gleaming, shiny, and ready to explore. N is for Nascar Racer, so incredibly fast. A bubbly wash and a big dry, and the cleaning's done at last. O is for Old-Timey Car with a classic vintage hood. We wash it and we polish it to make it look so good. E is for police car, we hear its siren sound. We wash the windows, wash the wheels until it's homeward bound. Q is for quad bike with mud on every part. We spray it down and scrub it clean with all our happy heart. O is for red rocket, and between a hitch. We give it such a mighty wash, it comes out without a glitch. S is for school bus, we wash its windows clear so all the kids can see outside and give a happy cheer. T is for tractor that works upon the farm. We wash it in our garage to keep it safe from harm. U is for UTV with dirt on every track. We wash it and we dry it off and put the mud right back. V is for van with packages inside. We wash the outside perfectly with water far and wide. W is for wrecking ball truck, so powerful and strong. We wash away the dust and dirt all morning long. X is for X-treme Off-roader, so muddy and so mean. We give it the best car wash that anyone has seen. I is for raw ponytail, we're from the ocean deep. We wash the salty water off before it goes to sleep. Z is for zoo truck with animals to see. We wash it till it sparkles as clean as it can be.
We did it! We washed every single vehicle from A to Z! The Tumble Jumble Garage is sparkling clean, all thanks to you! Don't forget to subscribe to Tumble Jumble for more learning adventures. Bye-bye, explorers!